Hello guys, I welcome you back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how you can solve the issue of your phone number if you find it difficult to verify your phone number. Okay guys, what are the things to do? Now let's go. So you have to come down to this area, you move down to this place as you can see it here now. So you just go to here. So you move to your Pi browser. So you click on the alternative sign. Don't forget you have your Pi browser with you. So we allow it to load up. So immediately you see it like this. What you are going to do, you just have to come down to this place in order to solve it. Come down to this place, chat. Okay. So when you go there, click on it. So we allow it to load up. So it's loading up now. Okay guys, as you can see it here now, what you will do now is to come down to this area, this place. Okay, only this, just click this area. Okay, by the time you click on it like this, it will generate the conversation. Okay guys, as you can see it here now, what you are going to do. So guys, as you can see it here now, you have to locate this message. You make sure you locate this message, and you can see now that if you are facing issue with, let me show you very well so that you can see it clearly. Can you see this one now? Okay, if you are facing issue with verifying your phone number, updating your password on the mainnet checklist, please fill out the form provided below. Only this issue you can do. Okay, don't give another issue with this. So just click on this link. Okay, you click on this link. By the time you click on this link, your problem will be solved. Okay, now so you can see the way where I come from now, from the home to Pi browser to this chat. So that is exactly where you can go now and solve your issue with what, with phone number or updating your password on the mainnet checklist. Okay guys, so and there is another way that I want us to learn now. Okay, many people have been selling their pie and buying. Please don't buy, don't sell your pie because it's not accepted, because everything now, until the main mainnet has been open and it has been listed, before you can do that. Those people that are doing it is illegal or they are scam. If they be able to scam or get your passphrase, everything you have been labor for will just be disappear. So any information, anything you need, just come down here, just be reading, or you need any help, type. You can type here, you can see it here now, this is it. You can just type whatever you need, so whatever you want. Okay, directly from the Pi care with what will response to you. Okay, don't stress yourself, don't look for anything that people will now scam you. Okay guys, so that is exactly what you can easily do with this place now. Okay, just make sure you come down here and read. Even though you are just beginner, okay, you are just, you can see all these people now, they started chatting. Can you see this one? This one is when a tentative KYC approval. It means that your KYC has been approved but subject to additional confirmation check. So you don't need to worry yourself. When the confirmation comes, the liveness, you do it and it will come, it go back to normal approval. Okay guys, so that is exactly what you can do with this place. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and you stay tuned for my next update. Peace.